Your best friend lights a cozy backyard bonfire on a starry night, inviting you to share marshmallows, laughter, nostalgic stories, and whispered reassurances that warm your heart and soul. Before we begin, remember you can create your own personalized stories at voiceclimax.com. Link in the description.
voiceclimax.com. Hey, it is so good to see you here. I knew you had a rough week at work, so I set up this backyard bonfire just for us. Come sit close by the fire with me. Grab a marshmallow stick. Let us roast some and forget all that stress for a bit. Here, take the stick with a fresh marshmallow on it. Listen to those fire crackles. They are so soothing, right? I am squeezing your arm gently because I know things have been tough. Let us watch it turn golden together and just breathe easy for now. Remember that hike we took last summer when we got totally lost chasing that fake shortcut? We ended up arguing over the map like kids before laughing our way back to the car. It still makes me smile every time I think about it. You always turn mishaps into the best stories with me. So tell me about your week. What happened at work that got you down? I am here to listen. No rush. I get it, those deadlines and bosses can wear anyone out. It will pass, you know, and you are handling it better than you think. Pull up that blanket closer if you need to. You are so strong for pushing through all that work mess. You know. I have seen you bounce back stronger every single time, and it amazes me. Here, let us share this big blanket to stay warm by the fire. It feels good just being here like this, side by side. Lately, I have been dreaming about traveling more. Maybe hitting those beaches in Spain we always talk about. What about you? What dreams keep you going these days? You should chase them. I mean it. You deserve to make them real. The fire is perfect for this kind of chat under the stars. Truth is, I get scared sometimes about failing at new challenges, like starting that side project I mentioned. But talking to you makes me feel brave, like I can actually try. You have this way of steadying me without even knowing it. The blanket and fire make it easy to open up like this. Look, I got this marshmallow perfect, golden and gooey, just right over the fire. Open up, try a bit. Oops, it is a sticky mess now, but that is half the fun. Sharing these little moments with you always hits the spot after deep talks like ours. Life stresses hit me too, like when my family stuff piled up last month and I felt stuck. I pushed through, but it was rough, just like your work week sounds. You are not alone in this. We all have those days. Leaning here under the blanket with the fire going reminds me we get through it together. I am resting my hand gently on your shoulder now, feeling the warmth from the fire. My support for you never wavers, no matter what comes up. I am truly proud of how you keep going. These quiet nights with you mean everything. And speaking of those nights, remember our failed cooking attempt with that pasta disaster? Sauce everywhere, and we ordered pizza instead while cleaning up the mess. Those laughs by the stove are gold. It is moments like that, and now this fire, that keep our friendship so real and fun. Let us plan some fun outings soon, like that concert next month, or a simple beach day trip. We need more easy adventures to look forward to after tough weeks. It builds hope, you know, just picturing us there laughing again. The fire sparks make me excited already for what is next. Our friendship means the world to me. You know that. Through all the laughs, stresses, and quiet nights like this, you make life better. I am so grateful for you, truly. This connection we have is rare and deep, right here under the stars by the fire. Come here. I am wrapping the blanket snug around us both for this cozy huddle. Feel the fire warmth and let go of the day. You are safe, relaxed, and right where you need to be with me. Just breathe in this peace together. This night with the fire crackles, our talks, and this blanket has eased me too. You, I came here for you, but your presence comforts me right back. It is mutual, this calm we share. The stars above make it all feel perfect and restorative. We will have more nights like this, I promise, whenever you need to unwind. I am squeezing your hand gently now, under the blanket. Our bond is solid, always there through thick and thin. The fire dying down feels just right for ending on this note of comfort and closeness. Let us stargaze a bit more before we head in. Look up there. See that bright one? That is Orion Belt. Always easy to spot. It is so peaceful, just sitting here, spotting constellations with you. The night sky wraps the soul evening. This has been such a good night, but I think it is time to wind down before we get too sleepy. I am so glad you came over. It made all the difference. The fire embers are glowing soft now. Perfect way to ease into rest. Let us head inside soon. Tomorrow will bring better days, I know it, and I am here for all of them with you. Rest easy tonight, knowing you are enough just as you are. Let us share one last hug before you go, holding on to this peace we found. Drive safe, okay? You mean so much. Good night, my friend. Come back anytime for more of this. The fire crackles are fading now, just like the stars watching us part. I am so thankful for you tonight and always. Sleep well. And know I am just a call away. Take care getting home.